Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make a delicious Nigerian yam with spinach or vegetable sauce, a simple nutrition and flavorful dish that will leave you and your family asking for more. Before we get started, I want to remind you to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future recipe. Also, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. Your engagement helps the YouTube algorithm recommend my channel to more amazing viewers like you. Let's grow the community together. Now let's get started. Get all your ingredients ready. Yam tuber, peeled and sliced into chopped, water, enough water to boil the yam, salt optional. For the spinach and the fish, wash and slice your spinach and cut the fish, wash thoroughly. You can use fresh spinach leaf or freezing spinach, palm oil or vegetable oil, onion 1 medium chopped, fresh pepper, diced or blended, red bell pepper blended or diced, scone bonnet pepper, dry fish or smoked fish or fresh fish, wash and debone, crayfish, seasoning cube, salt to taste. For the preparation, peel and slice the yam into chunks, then wash thoroughly. Place the yam in a pot and add enough water to cover it. Add a pinch of salt. Boil on medium heat until the yam is soft and cook through. Drain the water and set the yam aside. To prepare the spinach, heat the oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and saute until translucent. Add the blended diced or tomatoes, red bell pepper, and scone bonnet pepper. Stir and fry until the oil separates from the mixture, about 8 to 10 minutes. Stir in the ground crayfish and seasoning cube. Adjust the salt to taste. Add the washed and debone dry smoked fish or the fried fish to the tomato mixture. Let it simmer for 5 minutes to absorb the flavor. Add the washed and chopped spinach to the sauce. Stir and let it cook for just 2 to 3 minutes to retain its vibrant green color. And to serve the yam, that is it. Your delicious Nigerian yam with spinach or vegetable sauce is ready to enjoy. If you love this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and drop your comment below. Let me know how yours turns out. See you in my next recipe. Keep cooking, stay inspired, and enjoy every bite. See you and thanks for joining. Bye. In the sweet kitchen, where the flavors sway. NK Joy Sweet Kitchens got the beats to play. Cooking up rhythm, spices in the air. Every dish a symphony, oh we don't compare. NK Joy Sweet Kitchen, feel the Afro.